right, so Melissa and Cynthia here again. Listen, what we hear all the time is that marketing a class and getting agents in the classroom is the biggest challenge that leaders at a market center have. So guess what? FES solved that problem for you. We have created a 90-day program for you. And in that 90-day program, it has all of the flyers that you need for print, social media, email, and text. It has the text that you need. It has the schedule that you need. We're going to send it to you 90 days prior to the class, and then every week we're going to remind you what your weekly tasks are. We really have worked hard to make this as easy as possible, and we have tracked attendance, and we know that if you use it, that you can get agents to attend. Cynthia, as you heard a few weeks back, has been a team leader, and she's had the benefits. So I want her to share her experience.
Thank you so much. Yes. One of the biggest challenges that we have in running market centers is bringing everything together, making sure that we're promoting classes and inviting recruits and inviting our agents and reminding them of the opportunities that are being presented. And once I was introduced to FES, I received all of the benefit of having this all done for us. It's truly plug and play. The flyer is done, the messages as far as the email campaign's done, text messages, phone calls, and we're also working on a recruiting campaign for you as well to make it even easier. So team leaders, listen, all you have to do is grab the material and implement the plan. It's that simple. And I will promise you that you'll see a lot of return for this investment.
If you have any questions, feel free to click the link, email us. We both would be happy to chat with you. Make it a great day.